Welcome back, classic car enthusiasts. Today, we're stepping back to the golden era of American luxury cars to explore one of the rarest and most fascinating vehicles ever built, the 1955 Lincoln Indianapolis. A car that wasn't just about transportation, but about prestige, innovation, and the bold vision of post-war America. The story of the Lincoln Indianapolis begins in 1955. Lincoln, known for its elegance and innovation, decided to push the boundaries of automotive design with a concept car that would showcase the brand's ambition. Based on the Lincoln Capri chassis, the Indianapolis was never intended for mass production. Instead, it was a statement piece, a rolling vision of what American luxury could be. At a time when the nation was experiencing post-war optimism, this car represented freedom, style, and the future of automotive design. Let's talk about the exterior. The 1955 Lincoln Indianapolis is a visual masterpiece. From the long, flowing hood to the subtle tail fins, every line was crafted to convey elegance and power. Its wide, imposing front grille, accented with chrome, immediately draws attention, while dual-round headlights give it a distinguished, futuristic look for the 1950s. The side profile is sleek, almost aerodynamic, despite the size of the car. And those rear fins, subtle enough to maintain sophistication but bold enough to turn heads. Add to this two-tone paint schemes and full chrome trim, and you have a car that perfectly balances class and showmanship. Exterior detail. No detail was overlooked. The Lincoln emblem was prominently displayed, reminding everyone who saw it of the brand's luxury pedigree. Chrome-lined wheel arches, custom hubcaps, and carefully sculpted bumpers reflected the meticulous craftsmanship that went into building this concept car. Every inch was designed not just to look good, but to feel premium. Interior showcase, dashboard. Step inside the Indianapolis, and the luxury experience continues. The cabin was designed to pamper its occupants. Soft leather upholstery, hand-stitched details, and plush seating made every journey a first-class experience. The dashboard was a blend of function and art, with chrome accents, intuitive instrument clusters, and a futuristic layout that felt ahead of its time. Even the steering wheel was crafted to give the driver precise control while looking elegant. Interior comfort features, footage of interior, armrests, dashboard. Lincoln's attention to comfort didn't stop at aesthetics. The interior was spacious, offering ample legroom for passengers. The seats were not only luxurious but ergonomically designed, ensuring that even long drives were a pleasure. Innovative features, such as the ergonomically placed controls and dashboard layout, made the driver feel both in command and surrounded by luxury. Performance section, engine, transmission, driving. Under the hood, the Indianapolis carried a powerhouse engine. A large V8 delivered smooth, commanding power, allowing the car to cruise effortlessly along highways. Paired with a reliable automatic transmission, the driving experience was refined yet thrilling. While Lincoln's goal wasn't speed, the Indianapolis offered a balanced combination of power, stability, and comfort that made it one of the most sophisticated cars of its time. The suspension system, tuned for comfort, absorbed bumps gracefully, ensuring a plush, controlled ride for all passengers. Performance details. Handling a car this size could have been intimidating, but Lincoln designed it with precision. Despite its large frame, the Indianapolis remained poised on the road, offering confidence and ease for its driver. Whether cruising through city streets or open highways, the car felt like it was gliding, a true hallmark of mid-century American luxury. Although it never went into full production, the 1955 Lincoln Indianapolis influenced future Lincoln designs and set a benchmark for American luxury cars. It demonstrated that innovation didn't just belong in sports cars or racing vehicles, it had a place in the lap of luxury. This car remains a testament to a period when automakers dared to dream big, blending art, engineering, and style into one extraordinary package. Conclusion. Car driving into sunset. Quote, "In conclusion, the 1955 Lincoln Indianapolis is more than just a car, it's a piece of American history. Rare, elegant, and historically significant, it represents the peak of 1950s luxury and the ambitious spirit of the Lincoln brand. For collectors, automotive historians, and dreamers alike, it is a reminder that cars can be more than machines, they can be rolling works of art." Ending screen. Call to action. Thanks for joining us on this journey through one of Lincoln's most iconic creations. If you loved this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more classic car stories. Which vintage Lincoln should we explore next? Comment below and let us know. Until next time, keep dreaming, and keep driving in style.